Hi, hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the free video editor from your Windows. It is a pretty good video editor for everyone. You can use it for many different types of projects. Now, before we start, you need to be ensure about your Windows version is higher than 1803. If you want to know about your Windows version or your full system specification, I have a video about how you can do it. I'm going to put the link in the description field below so you can check it out if you want. To fully understand the video, please watch till the end and let's begin. First, we need to open our video editor from the search bar and search for video editor. And here you can say video editor trusted Microsoft Store app. We need to open it by click on it and here you can see some of my finished video project from this video editor. Now for start from beginning, I need to click this import button and say I can import my files from a folder or a USB device. I'm going to select this one from a folder because I want to import my files from this PC, and from the select folder wizard I need to select which folder I want to include to my video project. I'm going to select this one, upload photos to Instagram, and by clicking this add this folder to pictures, it will include all of its components in my video project. Now I'm going to click this add this folder and my folder is added to my video editor. Now for checking I need to go to this folders tab and here you can see our new folder. Now for creating a video project I need to go to this video project tab and I need to click this create a video projects, and now from this create new video collections we need to select which video and picture we need to include in our editing project. You can see that there are a lot of pictures and videos are here. If you are confused which one you need to include because a lot of this will be here, don't worry. At the end I'm going to show you how you can remove a finished project folder so your collection will look cleaner. Now I'm going to select this one, this one, this and this one also, and after selecting I need to click this create button and it will take some time to create a video project. And here you can see our video project is created. Now from here I can name my video project. I'm going to name it demo because this is a demo project and click OK. Now here my video footages are automatically added to my storyboard. From this storyboard I can edit my video with these tools. Now I'm going to show you how you can sort your videos by click and simply drag to right or very left. Here you can see that I can also sort my footages. Now from here I can also remove my footages by simply clicking this cross button, or I can also remove all of them by simply clicking this remove all. Now I'm going to add which one I want by simply click this one and drag to the storyboard, or hover over one footage and click the right button of your mouse and click this one place in storyboard. And here you can see my footage are added to my storyboard. Now by using this trim tool you can trim your footage, or you can resize your video or add filters and add text or add motion. And last one, the 3D effects. This 3D effect is very awesome and useful tool you can use from this free video editor. A lot of paid video editors don't have this tool. Now for trimming my video clip I just need to click this trim button and see that my video clip is 3 minutes and 51 seconds long. I want it to be 3 minutes. For trimming it I need to simply click this in button and drag it to right, or I can also click this end button and drag it to left. And here my video is trimmed. After finishing your trimming process you just need to click this done button, and here you can see my video is now 3 minutes and 3 seconds long. Now for resizing I just need to click this resize button. You can remove the black bars from your videos or pictures by simply clicking on it, remove black bars. If your video has black bars, it will remove them. For example, I'm going to add this picture to my storyboard. And here it has some black borders. You can simply remove these black bars by clicking this resize and click remove black bars. And my black bars are gone. Now for add filters, I need to click this filters tool. From here, I can add any of these filters to my video. For example, this one or this one. You can see that I can add these filters to my video. Now after adding your filter to your video, you just need to click this done. And here my video has new filter on it. Now for adding text to my video, I just need to click this text tool. And I need to write something in here. I'm going to write demo, and here you can see that I can select any of these free text styles. I'm going to select child, adventure, loved, or joy, pixel, any of these, and I'm going to select this one, adventure, and I can also place this text to the top, left, center, or bottom, or also right from this layout. I'm going to simply select this one to the center, and after adding my text I can simply select this done button, or I can go to my motion from here also and add motion to my video. I'm going to select this one, zoom out center, and click done. My text and motion is added to my video. Now it is time to add the 3D effects to my video. I'm going to click this 3D effect, and here you can see a lot of 3D effects I can add to my video from here, as like this explosion. I can add this by simply click on it. It has a volume in it because every 3D effects has its own volume. I'm going to decrease the sound, this one also, and from here I can simply drag it to resize the 3D effect, or rotate it to, I can also rotate this 3D effect. So after finishing this edit, I can check it out by simply click it in here and play it. My effect is added to my video. Now I'm going to add another one by simply going to effect and going to campfire. Add this campfire to my video, and here it is. I can simply drag it to resize my 3D effect, and also I can decrease the volume to the effect or increase it by simply sliding this volume bar. Now for checking, I need to go here and play it. You can see that one effect and the other one is here. It is burning. Now for adding more effects, you can go to effects. You can add any of these 3D effects to your video or clip. If you want more 3D effects, you can go to this 3D library. A lot of them are also in here. You can add any of these to your video by simply going to here, clicking it, and I'm going to add this tree to my video. For that I need to click this one. It is downloading. You need to have an internet connection to download this 3D effects. And here you can see that my 3D effect is downloaded. Now I can edit it by simply drag this one or this one for rotating the tree, and also with this one my tree is added. Now I can resize this one by simply click and drag. Now after finishing my editing process, I need to add the quick animation. Swing. It is swinging, and you can also add any of this. Now after adding the 3D effects, I just need to click this done button, and here it is, my 3D effects and also all of the effects I have added to my video. You can see that the explosion, the tree, all of them in my video. Now for adding audio, I need to click this audio, and I can add narration or music. I'm going to click this music. I think these are copyright free music you can get from this free video editor for free. You can add them to your video, or you can add a music from your computer by simply click on it and select a music file by selecting a folder of your music. You can also add a theme to your video project by simply click on it, click this theme and select this one, adventure, child. There are many of these themes you can have. Now from this aspect ratio, you can change the ratio to any of this, 4:3 or 16:9. 16:9 is better for your Windows computer or desktop. Now after finish your edit process, you can simply click this export or share, and from here you can select which one is suitable for your project. I'm going to select this one, longest upload, best for big screen. it is exporting my video. It will take some time to export your video. And here it is, my exported project. Now I can play it or view it in my file explorer. I'm going to view it in my file explorer, and it is saved to your selected folder. I'm going to minimize this and cross this one. Now it is time to show you how you can remove your folders from your video project or a video editor. For that, I need to go to the home. Now from here you need to go to this three button, click this three button and go to settings, and here you can see that my edit folders. Now I just need to click this cross and remove folder from this video editor. Remove this one, and this one also. Now here you can see that all of my collections are gone. So this is the process of how you can edit your video from your free video editor tool in Windows. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting free learning videos like this one. I'll be uploading free learning videos like this one in future. Or if you got any question about this process or about this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. And thank you for watching. Have good times.